And in today's video, the new MOT changes that came into effect on the 20th of May 2018, they seriously affect every car owner and could land you with a £2,500 fine and 3 penalty points on your licence.
It's not
Welcome to West Yorkshire Engine Services in the big UK in Bradford, West Yorkshire. Big thank you to all you guys for subscribing to this channel. As you're aware, whenever we've got some important changes to the laws or rules and regulations, we'll share them with you. Now, if you own a vehicle which is about to come up for MOT, there's a number of things that you need to be aware of before you actually take your car there and book it in for the MOT. My advice to you is if you've got an MOT coming up, you need to pre-book your vehicle in with a garage to give you an idea on what the faults are with your vehicle, because the changes to the rules and regulations are actually quite steep. Now, failures are classified in 3 ways: minor, major and dangerous. Now, minor is just minor advisories which you can deal with at a later date. Now, major and dangerous, the rules have changed completely. If your vehicle fails for something major, you are not allowed to remove the car from the garage and it's got to be repaired there and then. And if it's dangerous, the situation's exactly the same. It's got to be repaired there and then. If you actually drive it away, you can actually receive a fine of up to £2,500 and up to 3 penalty points on your licence. Now, there's a number of things that have come out which have changed to what's happened in the past. Emissions is a massive thing here in the UK at the moment. And vehicles and old vehicles that the government want off the road, this is why the MOT changes have come into place. Now, particularly if you've got a diesel engine. Now, if your vehicle goes for MOT and smokes in any colour or smokes at all and has got a DPF filter on there, that's a major fail and would start getting vastly expensive. Now, most diesel cars have a DPF filter on above 2006, and a lot of people have been removing and remapping these things. That's actually now a major fail. So if your vehicle has been remapped and this has been removed, you're in for serious bother when it comes to the MOT, because remember what I said to you about the fine. Another thing is oil leaks. Any form of oil leaks in any shape or form, coolant, antifreeze, power steering, engine oil, again is a major fail. So again, before you take your car for MOT, pop the bonnet, have a look, see if there's any drips or anything like that, and if you do start seeing some, get an engine degreaser and start cleaning it up and try and get rid of as much oil as you possibly can, and I'll actually deal with the oil leak because it's an environmental issue. Any smoke, any smoke that's coming from your vehicle, that's a major fail. So that's normally faulty fuel injectors. So faulty fuel injectors are over-fueling. So my advice to you to avoid faulty fuel injectors is do an injector cleaner on a full tank of fuel every once in a while. So there's a number of colours of smoke that your vehicle can emit. One of them is black smoke, which is normally faulty injectors or faulty EGR. Other smoke is white smoke, that could be your turbo, over breathing. It could also be a cracked cylinder head. Well, when it comes to smoke, subscribe to the channel and we'll teach you everything you need to know about your diesel engine. Now, another thing that's a major failure is any warning lights on your dashboard. Whether that's ABS, whether that's airbag flashing, or whether that's engine management, that is all a major fail and again has got to be repaired immediately. And dangerous faults, these are some of the checks that you can actually do yourself. Dangerous faults are your entire running gear. So that's anti-roll bar bushes, shock absorbers, springs, anything to do with ball joints, anything to do with the running gear. So one way of finding out if any of them is faulty is when you're driving down the road, you know, if you hear a clunk or a bang every time you go over a bump, there's an issue there. So get it dealt with before you go to the MOT station so it doesn't get expensive when it comes to your MOT. And guys, the rules have also changed upon the actual time frame of an MOT test. So you used to be able to get 2 weeks actually to go ahead and do the repairs. If you got the vehicle tested 2 weeks before it actually expired, you got the 14 days to actually do the repairs. That's now changed. If it fails, it's failed, full stop. And then if you drive it with a fail, it's not insured. So you could also get done for no insurance, a big fine, and even more penalty points. So it's vital that you know what I'm trying to get across to you, and you'll know to be able to save money in the future when it comes to repairs on your car. Now, if you need my help and assistance at all, please feel free to give me a call on 01274 663 999. We're based in Bradford, West Yorkshire. We're a small family-owned business. You can also find us on Facebook. Subscribe if you want to learn everything about your Nissan Navara. Thanks for watching, and come again.